it. It's the same as in the home section where the test, but it's more advanced because you have different types of other tools that you can hit, or you can see what devices that are you can use, what devices can be played at. As you can see, when you are playing a, what is the visuality, what what can um what can device client, Android device or or how can we say this, how can smartphone devices can view the game. As for this one, this is the how can the laptop or PC user can view the game, how can they explore. As for this controller, it show you the gamepad of how can a controller user, as you can see, WFSAD, where it show you how you can use it, show you how you can move forward. That's how, where you can also edit it, where if you want the gamepad much more easier, where you want to have it, where if you want to have it a custom design of keys on using a controller. So in local server, you can use a non or team test where everybody can play, and one player, zero player, up to 8 players. As for the player part is where you can see custom, and I live in the Philippines, show where what can be allowed while testing, ads, your purchase allowed, content sharing allowed, and allowed it also, all paid restricted on it. So we'll show you what can the player use or test. As for the cleanup and start test, where stop start, and all of the things are moving around when they are being played at. You can just use the clean up to restart the world where there are no more distraction, or say some get iterated or something get exploded. You can just use the clean up to fix that again. Right now there's nothing exploding because I removed the session, the planes that explode. So, and here the simulation where when you click play, wait, as you can see, where it can just wait. It's like it's a bit slow, let's just wait. As you can see, but right where we have show on code, and we are testing or beta testing, we can pause all physics where with there will be no video there. So that's how we can use it. Now that topic word is kinda loud, so learn how to navigate test, yeah, test or test section of, and that's all.